Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And Tesla, I'm sure a lot of you all have heard, Tesla has slashed prices yet again. To me, basically proving desperation. Tesla is losing a large market share. However, remember, Tesla is putting out 1 million cars, a little over 1 million cars. Well, at least they did that last year. Now, they probably are figuring that they can sell the cars to almost a loss, but still make enough profit to survive while they weed out most of the competition. Tesla isn't the only company to have just done this yet again. A couple Chinese automakers did it as well in almost a clear attack on Nio and to survive. So Zeekr also did it and is opening their stores later to try to ramp up sales. Now, what is Nio doing to counteract this and to survive? And should we sell? So a lot of people were selling when that news came out yesterday. Today, Nio is trading at $11.52. This is post-market. It's 12 cents up. It was higher than that in the beginning of the day. The 52-week low is $7 and the high is $22.74. So what is Nio doing to counteract that? Will Nio survive? Can we expect Nio to survive? Remember, guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. So let's start off with Nio just opened and started operating their first third generation swap station in Sweden. Nio is growing. We continue to grow. Nio Capital backed ClearMotion, which is a Boston-based company, right here in Boston, Massachusetts. Nio also invested $39 million into this company. This company begins construction of its first plant to produce suspension systems and to begin deliveries globally by the end of 2024. This company also has started receiving production orders from an EV maker. They did not specify who that EV maker is. We already know they supply Nio. I got this information from CNEV Post. So whilst a lot of people are just focusing on delivery numbers, I keep, and even when I say it on my videos, Nio is not just going to generate revenue from delivery numbers. They're going to generate revenue from their investments, from their cell phone, from a lot of different ventures that Nio has their arm into. So it's pretty much, I would say, preparing itself to be somewhat like an Amazon type company of the EV industry, right? This company that Nio has invested into, that company that makes this suspension system, which is called ClearMotion, that suspension system is actually better than a Rolls-Royce suspension system. Yes, you heard me right. It's a new suspension system that was designed and invented right here in Massachusetts, in Boston, in America. And it's the latest, greatest technology in suspension systems. A lot of people don't know that until they drive like the ET7 and they're like, oh my God. The suspension system is designed to where you don't get motion sickness when you're going on long drives, stuff like that. Nio also is offering $3,280 discount on the ET5 inventory cars. I think that's going to last for like 2 or 3 months. So that will help counteract it as well, what Tesla and these other companies are doing. Furthermore, Bank of America raises Nio price target again to $16.20 from $15.40 and expect deliveries of 20,000 to 21,000 per month in August. But listen to this, guys. And September, and increasing even more in the fourth quarter. So I want you guys to understand, as Nio Lions, we feed when the market is fearful. I just started buying shares for my son again because it went back under what he paid for it. Remember, I kept beating that drum. Recently, when it went higher than what my son paid for it and everyone was happy and joyful and jumping in and buying Nio shares, that's when I pull back. When the market is fearful, I feed again. So Nio is also set to report second quarter earnings on August the 29th. I don't know what this is going to do for our stock, but if it goes down, it's going to give me a buying opportunity again. I'm not saying that you guys should jump in and buy if it goes down again, but that's the way I play the game when I believe in a company and see what they're doing in order to be a monster corporation. I don't care what they do on a day-to-day basis. I focus on what they're going to be doing and what they're implementing and putting into place to create themselves into a monster corporation so that I can make a couple $100,000 on this company. So, but this is, I saved the yummy and the best for last. I want you guys to listen to this. And some of you all probably already heard this. I'm sorry, guys. I've been working a lot, so I haven't gotten time to do videos. But some key chips developed by Nio to be in mass production in the next 1 to 2 years. This news was revealed by the CFO. How big of a deal is that? How big of a deal is that? That's huge. That is huge. A lot of car manufacturers, in fact, I can't think of any EV company that's making their own chips. Maybe Tesla is, I don't know. If they are, please let me know in the comments, guys. But like I said before, Nio is doing things that are revolutionary and game-changing. It's only a matter of time before the short squeeze, the propaganda machine, have to come out and realize and admit. And, you know, the propaganda cannot hold us down but for so long. I want you guys to know that if you have diamond hands and you believe and you hold, we're going to make considerable money on this stock. Continuously people are putting some comments on some of my videos. Oh, I should have sold it when it was 65. Oh, it's a deadbeat company. How is it a deadbeat company? Are you focusing on the share price or what the company is doing? This is how uneducated investors think. This is how people with the instant gratification mindset think. This channel is not to propagate that. This channel is to point out what Nio is doing in order to create themselves into a monster corporation and therefore create a lot of wealth for us. I hope you guys found this video informational. If you do, give it a thumbs up, guys. It'll help me encourage me to keep doing these videos. If you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so. I speak all things Nio, and sometimes I throw in a little more spice. Let's get rich or die trying, guys.